Hey guys, it is like 1 a.m. and I have to do my hair still. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw that I caught a flat, had to wait for the tow truck and all of that. Still have to pack and do my hair. So it's 1 a.m. Let's see what time I finish. So let me first start off by saying this. I was so tired when I was doing my hair, and I honestly didn't even want to do my hair. This night was just so crazy, y'all. Like I think I honestly should have like re-wet my hair. And I felt like I needed to, but I was just like so tired. I was like, okay. At this point, my hair was already dry. It was freshly washed. I was batch creating, and you'll see in my last video that like I was in the middle. I was in a groove, and I think at that point it was like 10 p.m., maybe 9 p.m. And then I had to go do something. And in the mix of me doing that, my tire freaking popped, y'all. And I had to wait. I was already like at the place for like an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. And then maybe like an hour and a half. And then I had to wait another hour and a half for the tow truck to come. So yeah, at this point, I was like, oh my gosh, I really didn't want to do my hair, but I knew that this was like the only day for me to do my hair. Just like I knew that this was the only day for me to sit here and batch create because I was going out of town. And when I go out of town, I do not really record. I don't create. I'm like in the moment, especially when I go back home, because I'm like there to enjoy time with my family. And it's just something about me being like away from home that takes me out of that mode of wanting to like just sit down and make videos. Although I did try when I was home to make a video, but I have a large family and everybody was kind of in my way. So you'll see a vlog though. I did vlog one day with me and my family when I was back home. So you'll see that on the next video coming very soon. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into this silk press, guys. And I can tell you a little bit of the night and like what I'm doing. So I am still trying to find the perfect silk press routine. Until I do, you guys will be seeing me do a bunch of silk presses here on this channel. I love to do my hair, especially when I can. I do need to go to the hair salon though and get a haircut, I feel like, because I haven't gotten my hair professionally done, like a silk press or anything like that, since December of 2024. So yeah, my hair has been in braids. I do braids, twist outs, I wear my curls a lot, and yeah, so I just haven't had the need to like go and get a silk press. But yeah, now I feel like I need a haircut. I need some layers because of all those braids and my curls, and I feel like my hair actually does better when wear it in its straight form or blown out or whatever. I feel like I have more length retention when it is in that state. So I think I'm going to be doing that much more often than I am. I'm going to be showing you guys like different styles in its blowout state. I really want to try to do like flexi rod blowout styles, and not even necessarily just always going to the silk press method. So yeah, I definitely am in need of a new blow dryer. I think this was cool for when I was like beginner friendly, but I think that I have graduated. I feel like this blow dryer does not get my hair as straight as I would like it, and then that just causes the method to frizz up sooner than I would like it. So I am in the need of a new blow dryer. I'm looking out for that. So if you have a favorite blow dryer, please go ahead and leave one in the comments because I would love to check it out. If you're a beginner and you are starting off your silk press journey, I definitely have a video where I showed you how I blow dry my hair, and that video was my first time ever blow drying my hair. So if I could do it, you can do it, girl. I think I may even upgrade to a new flat iron. So if you guys have any favorite flat irons as well, throw those down in the comments. When I got these products, it was very like, I had no really intention of applying heat to my hair, or let alone doing silk presses alone on my hair. I was going to the hair salon maybe every 2 months, if that. And then I found one close to me, a stylist, and I was going to her maybe every 2 weeks. And I kind of had to slow down because, you know, we're here on a financial journey. So I had to take a step back from that because as I stated in my very first video, I have some goals that I'm trying to achieve by the end of this year. December 31st, the end of 2025. It is literally like 3 months away, basically. It's so crazy to say, but yeah,
I literally love to flat iron my hair in very, very small sections. As you can see, I try to go as close to the scalp as I can without burning myself. And guys, it's so hard for me to do my perimeter and like around my ear area without like having my boyfriend hold my ear down. And he wasn't here when I was doing this video, so I literally had no other choice but to like try to do it myself. And sometimes I can like get away with it and sometimes I can't. I think I need to get those little like ear cuffs. And it's so crazy because I had so much like other plans for this video. I was going to like silk press my hair, and then I was going to trim it and do a whole thing, but I ended up silk pressing my hair and trimming it as I was going. I was so tired. I was literally trying to get this to look as best as possible with the time that I had, guys. I still had to pack. I found that it's really easy when I go ahead and put my hair into 4 sections, and then I do one side first and then I do the other side really after that. I use these duckbill clips to help me section off the other hair that is like out of the way. And guys, when I say I'm using small sections, like you see, I'm using my thermal comb to help me with this style. I really love that comb. I use that comb even when I'm not doing heated styles or working with heated tools. It's just a really good comb. It's pretty sturdy. It does what it needs to do. And this is just a Remington, I think it's a Remington flat iron. And since combing out my locks, like this was the thing that scared me the most, was like putting heat on my hair myself, just because like I feel like I'm not gonna say I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just not comfortable, because even right there where you see like the smoke or whatever, I think that's like the product, but I use like a whole bunch of heat protectant and also that frizz control, because my hair gets really frizzy like super fast, and that's it. Like, oh, and the serum also is a heat protectant, but I don't put it on high heat at all. This is weird though, because this is a flat iron with the numbers that goes up to like 35 or something, and I put it on 20. So somebody let me know if that's good or bad, but I literally want to get a different flat iron just for that reason. And I really want to get a titanium one. That's a ceramic flat iron that I got for fairly cheap, because I was like, I'm not about to be doing my hair, so it doesn't really matter. Come to find out, I am about to be doing my hair, so it does matter. I'm gonna be getting me a titanium flat iron, and the one that has the actual numbers and degrees on it. That way I can know for sure that I'm not gonna be going above 400 on my hair. I want to keep like around 350, 375, and that still may even be high, but I feel like I'll be able to still get a good press on it with that degrees, with that temperature. So yeah. And this is also the day that I literally had a setback. This set me back, what? I think about 11 days. It's so crazy, because it's like once you stop doing something, when you're on a roll and you're in a rhythm and then you stop doing something, it's like your body kind of goes back into that natural habit, that natural routine, and you just like, it's hard to like pick it back up. But I even kept telling myself, like, I need to record, I need to post. Like, it's literally in the back of my mind all the days that had passed, and I was just like, no, I'll do this tomorrow. And that's why like I started this challenge anyway, because I really wanted to prove to myself that I can be consistent and that I can stay on this. I've had this channel a good amount of years now, and I still don't have 1,000 subscribers, and I don't know, I'm probably just beating myself up. It's literally just the fact that like, if I stayed consistent, who knows where I would be, you know? Like, that is just like the momentum of staying consistent. I feel like it's such a good benefit to yourself and to your audience when you stay consistent, because it gives them, or you guys, just something to watch and something to engage in, and like, you know, actually connect with me. When I stop posting, you guys are probably like, oh, where'd she go? Da, 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 da. Or like, even if you just have a channel and you're just watching me just to like learn something, or just to like see what I'm doing, when you stop posting, it kind of just like takes away from like the momentum that you're already building up. All those days, of those 9 days that I was posting, my momentum from those days are gone now. So it's like I have to start over every single time that I take a break, and that part is frustrating, but I'm going to keep going definitely until I reach the 1,000 subscribers on here. And I really have big goals, so I'm just going to keep going until those goals are achieved.
Okay guys, I'm so tired. It's 3:30 in the morning and I still have to pack. Anyway, this is the hair. I think I'm gonna put too much serum, but it's okay for now. I trimmed like so much. I trimmed a lot off, but it's better to have like, I feel like I actually like just need a haircut at this point, but I'm not gonna like attempt to do that myself, because yeah, I don't want to mess my hair up too much. But yeah, Like, I feel like I could cut more, but I'm just not going to. I cut like as much as I can, and I'm just gonna keep it there. I feel like I dusted my ends pretty well. I cut off maybe 2 inches. So, look. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my silk press video. Oh, I don't know if I showed this, but I also use this serum. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.